Hey everyone, in this session we are going to talk about personalized visual experience for Power BI report. So now let's get started. The first question arises in our mind that what is personalized visual experience and how does it work? Let's say for an example this is my Power BI report, and let's say for an example I am publishing this report to one of my workspace. Now, let's say workspace has 10 members, and any of the member, like let's say for an example from those 10 member, one of the user whose name is Adele and who don't like this visual, he want pie chart instead of this bar chart. So with this newly rolled out feature, that is personalized visual experience, he can change the look and feel and the fields of this visual and save his report and create his personalized view in his workspace. Now that change doesn't reflect to the all the users. So based on per user requirement, user can make change the thing to the specific visualization, and that is how this personalized visualization feature work. Now in this vlog I am going to demonstrate about this feature in detail. I am going to explain each and every single detail about this feature, as well as how user can change this personalized visual and how they can restore that and make it by default. Now let's talk about all of these things in detail. Before we start, we need to consider these two things. First of all, this is a preview feature. So we need to enable this feature. For that, go to options and setting and click on options. From preview features, click on personalized visuals. Make sure that you check this option. Now we need to enable one more feature. For that, go to the report setting, just scroll down a little bit, and here you have an option personalize visuals. So you just need to tick on this thing and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you just need to close your Power BI desktop and reopen your desktop to restart the features. Once you do that, you will be having an option. Let's say for an example, this is your visual, and if you go to the format property and go to the visual header, you will be having an option enabled, that is personalized visual option. You can see that. So once this is enabled for you, once this option will available for you, that means that this feature is activated for your report. Now once you activate this feature and once you have this report ready, you just need to publish your report. For that, just click on this publish button. I already published this report in one of my workspace, that is a personalized view workspace. Now let me show you to that Power BI service workspace. So this is my Power BI service account, and you can see that currently I am logged in with my account, that is Dhruvin Shah's account, and I have this PDF personalized view POC workspace. Now you can see here I have this report available over here. So let me click on this report. So this will look like this. This is my Power BI report. Now let's say for an example, as I told you the use case and scenario, let's say for an example this is my Power BI report, and currently if I'm checking the access of this workspace, you can see that the report has been shared with one of the user, that is Adele Vance, and he has the viewer permission. So this report has been shared with Adele Vance. Now let me go to the Adele's account. So here I have Adele's account, and it is his workspace, that is personalized workspace. Now let's say for an example I have logged in with Adele's account, and Adele do not like this visual. So how can he change that? So let's say whenever you hover over any visualization, you will be having an option like this, personalize this visual. Just click on that. So this will open a pop-up like this. Now let me explain you each of the feature step by step over here. So first of all, you can change the visualization type from here. So once you click on here, you will be having all the available visuals over here. So let's say I want to convert this to the line chart. So I will be using this line option over here. Now here is second option, you can swap out a measures or a dimension. So from here, once you click on axis, it will show you all the available options over here. You can change that based on your requirement. You can also add or remove the legends from here. You can also change the aggregation type as well. So let's say if I want to change the any aggregation from here, we can change. Also, if you want to add the multiple counts or value, you can also drag it from here. So this is a really good feature, right? Now let's say for an example, if you want to reset, how can you do that? For that you just need to click on this icon. So this will revert everything from here. So once you click on that, it will convert this chat by default to this one, right? So now let me just revert back this again. Alright, so this is how we can personalize our visual based on your requirement, right? Now let me, I'm done with my changes. Now as a user, I want to save these changes. So how can we do that? For that, just click on this bookmarks icon. Here you have an option that capture this report's current stage. So you just need to click on add a personal bookmark over here, and you just need to provide a name of your bookmark, my personal visual. If you want to make this view as a default, whenever you open the report, you can tick as make as default and click on save. So your report changes have been saved successfully. So this change is only affected for the user adult. Now let me go to the Dhruvin's account, and this was the original report that we published. So, and now let me go back again to adult's account, and let me go here to the workspace, and let me just click on the report again, and let's see whether it open our default view by default or not. So you can see that my personal visual, this is the bookmark that we set. So this has been opened by default. So whenever the adult will log in, he will be able to see this view for him, right? So this is how we can easily personalize our visualization over here. Now let's say for an example, if I want to revert back this visual, how can we do it easily? So for that, just click on the visualization or hover over the visualization. For that you have applied personalized visual, and you will be having the reset this visual option over here. So once you do reset, this visual will be reset for you. And once you reset this thing, you need to update your bookmark. For that you just need to click on this ellipsis and click on update, and that is how you can able to save this visual into your bookmark, right? Now let's say if you don't want to have this personalized bookmark, so you can also remove that. For that, just click on this and click on delete option from here. You also have rename and clear default option over here. So let me just delete this visual personalized visualization from here. So just click on this delete over here, and it will delete the bookmark from here. Now let's say for an example, in your organization, if you have some visualization which is very important and you do not wish that end user can change that thing, so as a report owner you can also restrict this thing. So let's say for an example, for that just click on this visualization, go to the format property of the visual, expand visual header, and here you will be having personalized visual option. Just turn it off. So whenever you publish this again, end user will not able to see this personalized visual icon on your visual, and he will not able to personalize the visual. Alright, so this is how we can personalize our visual for Power BI report. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can email me at dhruvinsha16@gmail.com, or you can share your opinion with me in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. Also, if you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay home.